little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Kneel on the floor with thighs perpendicular. Bring your inner knees together, slide your feet apart, and sit back between your heels. Rest your hands on your thighs and sit tall. Sit sideways against a wall, then swing your legs up while lying back. Keep your back flat and arms relaxed. Breathe deeply as your blood flow reverses, calming your nervous system. Extend one leg forward, the other back. Gradually lower your hips until both legs are straight and flat on the mat. Keep your torso upright and arms raised. Squat deeply with feet wider than hips. Press your elbows against your inner knees, bringing palms together at your heart. Keep your spine long, heels flat, and chest open. Start on all fours. Exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. Pull your navel in, stretching your back and neck. Sit on the floor with legs crossed. Carefully place each foot onto the opposite thigh, soles facing up. Keep your spine straight, hands on knees, and breathe deeply. Lie on your back, lift your legs and hips, then slowly lower your feet over your head to the floor. Keep your legs straight and support your back with your hands. Stand tall on one leg. Place the other foot against your inner thigh or calf, avoiding the knee. Press your palms together at your chest and find a steady focus. Slide one knee forward behind your wrist while extending the other leg straight back. Square your hips and lengthen your spine. Fold forward or sit tall to stretch the hips. Lie on your back with feet flat and hands beside your ears. Press into your limbs to lift your body into an arch. Straighten your arms and breathe deeply. Lie on your belly, bend your knees, and grab your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest and thighs off the floor, creating a bow shape. Keep your gaze forward and breathe. Sit with one leg extended and the other folded. Reach for your extended foot. Rotate your torso upward and stretch your top arm overhead. Feel the deep side body stretch. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Press your tops of feet down. Inhale and lift your chest forward and up. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders down. Lie on your belly, reach back with your left hand to grab your left ankle. Inhale, kick the foot into your hand to lift your chest and thigh. Keep balance. Stand with feet together. Inhale, reach your arms up and bend your knees as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your weight in your heels and your spine long. Stand tall with feet together. Interlace your fingers and reach up. Exhale, leaning your torso to one side while keeping your hips steady. Feel the deep stretch along your side body. Fantastic job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends!